Hello, my cosmetic friends. The angularity of the face here. The teeth need to be constantly putting white here, and that here. So it's very swell here. The eyes here, as you can see here, it's very swell here. My face is have maybe 25 milliliters of the filler here, guys, and there maybe around 3 milliliters here, 3 milliliters here, around here, maybe not yet anything really. And the jaw and chin, this is really have like maybe around 10 milliliter here. Chin does it really change the physiology here? It's kind of when it comes to too much at bloated here, the bloated look here, when it comes to here, and it's kind of cool sometimes a bloated look because it's kind of like, I don't know how to say explain it. Here it's a little bit very. Does it come down? I don't know really how to properly massage here. The moving this, I feel like it doesn't all go on. Here eyelid here. Is anything eyelid here? This is just the one situation. I don't know what happened overnight. There's some area need to be constantly like reconsiderate here. Now it's good to hear, guys, and to do some work here. The massage here. You can use hot water here. Yeah, but you shouldn't massage. It depends really that you have too much in one area here. The kind of the most important thing is to have them all fillers in one single place here. All around here. So it's important to keep some area. And hot water to massage here. When it's well here, because the hot water really worsens the swelling itself, but it's okay because the point is not about it. The swelling isn't the problem, rather than the swelling. The point is kind of like keep the demo filler in the right place after the swelling has evaporated. Well, it's not in one single place here. That's the most important thing here. The demo filler is really like become a noodle in one single place here. And it's important to this characteristic way. Yeah. I feel really painful when there's some swelling. Yeah. I don't know what is ideal massage here because the gravitation pull things down and it can be a really huge issue indeed here when it comes to dermal fillers. Those entry point, keep it as few as possible. Guys. So maybe one is enough. There's no reason to have a crazy amount of the entry points dermal fillers here. Too much is too much here for sure. Hair transplantation that would be kind of cool.